Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can use the mathematic instruction in Siemens PLC logo. So let's get started. I will open my Logo Soft Comfort software and here scroll down and you can see in the analog section, this is the first command, mathematic instruction. Drag and drop into the ladder window and here you can see there is a one input and we can choose this one input. First input I1 I can choose. If you like to change this one, you can go to the properties and here you can which number you like to choose, you can choose. For example, I2 we can choose, I2 can be choose, no problem. Any number you can choose. And this block properties you can give the comment mathematic instruction. Mathematic instruction and click OK. And this you can give the input and after you can make the simulation. And as per seen, here is nothing any value or answer. And what's the function of this mathematic instruction? If you for example need some values like to be plus or like to be minus, like to be divide, like to be multiply, this instruction can be do. Go to the block properties. It's very simple. Here you can see priority 1 high and in the operator this is variable 1. For an example 10 value I will give here. This is the 100 any value you can check, no problem. And here I will give the value for example 5 and this I want to plus this value. For example 10 plus 5 I want to be answer continuously when some inputs coming from the field and I want to this values continue. Plus means addition and after I needs the answer in some other letters. So now I define is here 10 and plus 5 how much is answer. We can test by also this the text message simulation and here you can in the downside you can see the here message text and also you can drag and drop it here. Okay, and you can give the high priority signal in status high. This we can put it here. In this signal you can put it with the high priority. Okay, and after we can set the properties here. You can see it's automatically math instruction reads after this value variable 1 you can enter here and after this second variable also you can enter it here. Sorry, here this value you can enter it here and here next in we can take the result. Also you can drag and drop it here and if you like to be simply click and type here also you can see the result we can sign here. Okay, and this is when we put these values after we need the answer in here this area and click it OK and make it the simulation on and after this value is now as I when I give the signal it's our values will be shown it here in our result. This our two parameters, this v1 and v2 is here. This is v1 and this is v2. Also you can change it here from here the values. Also you can change the values in the block properties. See as I give the signal after you can see the answer is the 15. Because of this is we decided here 10 plus 5 need 15. Again, for example, I go to the block properties, and here we will put the values. For example, some other values will be choose 15 plus 5. How much? 15 plus 5. Click it OK, and after you can see this is the make again. After you can see the answer is the 20, right? And as well, if you need to change the values from here, for example, this is the value I need it here. For example, 20 plus this 5. This I think so we choose is this one. Same this data we have to be again configure. Once we will be cancel and go to the properties. 1 second, simulation off, and make to the block properties. And this one v2 also we have to be cancel this one, delete this one, and again this variable 2 we can drop it here, right? This is v2, this is v1, and this is the v2. Okay, now our values are correct, and click it OK, and make the simulation. And now you can see here is the 15 value and here is the 20 value. When you give the signal after this 15 plus 20, how much answer? 35. You can check in the calculator also. And for an example, we need this 15 plus 20 value, we need to the minus, but minus in the 15 value we cannot minus in the 20, so we have to be increase this value. This value first we have to be put another. For example, 60 value we will be put, and click OK. And after when you make it the on, after you can see 60 plus 20, this is the 80, but we not define here the minus block properties, and here you have to be define this minus. Because of now we need to the minus from the 60, we need to be 20 minus, and click it OK. And after again you make it the on, and after you can 60 minus 20, answer is 40. Same as if you need, for example, this one 60 multiply by 20, answer is very big. We will make the small values. 60 plus 10, click OK, and make it on, and you can 60 plus, multiply by 10, this is answered 600, right? Same as one more value we can choose. We can decrease the value. For example, 30 multiply by 10, answer will be 300, and we can check this one answer is accurate or not. You can see this is the 300. And same as if you need, for example, there is a 30 by 10, you have to be divide. This is the division command. Also you can choose the division and click it OK. 30 by 10, how much answer? Answer is 3, right? Any value which is raw value coming from the field, after you can convert here in the automatically it will be gives you to the answer. Basically this command is look like a calculator, which value when you give is the variable 1 and variable 2, after it will be gives you answer in the next parameter. And after this value you can be compares in your next program. You can use this is only I'm telling about this learning purpose. If you need to be use this command in your program, use your own logic, own program, and after you can implement this one, right? So hope guys you will be understand about this one command mathematic instruction. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.